Welcome back, bro. So today we're going to Cerakote my evos valve cover. Now that the valve cover is good and hot and we burned out some of the oils, we're going to do an acetone bath for, 10-15 minutes. And I'm just going to fill up this tub.
Safety first. I'm going to go ahead and close it up, and I'm going to leave it in this acetone bath for, 10, 15, 20 minutes.
Now before handling this at all, I let it cure for 24 hours before I started taping it off to not risk damaging the black lettering at all. But I'm going to tape it off, and then I'm going to cut everything out with an X-Acto knife, get it nice and clean, and then spray it with gold.
The valve cover is done and Cerakoted. It looks pretty decent. It's not perfect. There's a couple spots where I could touch it up a little bit, but overall, definitely not a bad turnout. And after I turn this car on and run it for a while, I'll see how it holds up. Hopefully it holds up well. Stay boosted. Peace out.